This is the platform lift at the range Gapton Retail Park in Great Yarmouth. It's a Phoenix platform lift. And capacity is 400 kilos, 2 persons or a person with a wheelchair, built in 2021. Let's go up.
Lift going up.
I've never ever been in this platform lift before. Here we are, 1.
First floor.
This is a platform lift at the range in the Gapton Retail Park in Great Yarmouth. And we're going back down this time. There's the security camera.
Lift going down. First floor. Lift going down.
It's pretty basic Phoenix platform lift. It's got the Oakland indicator. And the bottom capacity right there is 400 kilos, 2 persons or a person with a wheelchair, built in 2021.
Ground floor.
Ariel Bakkerji, and that's it.